In today's video, I'm going to teach you keep table rows from splitting across pages in Google Docs. If you've ever had a table row break awkwardly between pages, making your document hard to read or your headers look messy, this quick setting will help you keep each row together and your layout clean. Start by selecting what you want to control. Click and drag to highlight the entire table if you want this behavior for every row. This is great for formal documents, invoices, or any table where consistency matters. If you only need to keep a particular row together, like a header row or a section with related items, simply click anywhere inside that specific row. Your selection here determines where the setting will apply. So take a second to choose what makes sense for your document. Next, open the table properties. The fastest way is to right-click on your highlighted table or inside the row you selected, and choose Table Properties from the menu that appears. If you prefer the top menu, go to the Format menu. Select Table, and then click Table Properties. Either path opens the same sidebar on the right side of your screen, where all the table controls live. In the Table Properties sidebar, look for the Row section. If it's collapsed, click to expand it so you can see the options that affect how each row behaves across pages. Now find the option labeled Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. Uncheck this box. With that single change, Google Docs will keep the selected row or rows together on one page, instead of breaking them between pages. If you highlighted the entire table at the beginning, this applies to every row. If you clicked inside a single row, it applies just to that one. After unchecking, scroll through your document to confirm the rows are staying intact where page breaks occur. This is especially helpful for rows that contain headings, totals, or information that shouldn't be separated. Keep in mind that if a row is extremely tall, Google Docs may still need to handle it differently, since a row that's longer than a page can fully fit on one page. In most typical cases though, this setting gives you a cleaner, more professional layout. That's all there is to it. Select the table or row, open Table Properties. Expand Row and uncheck Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. Your tables will look more polished and be easier to read. Thanks for watching.